Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Fast Builds and Big Roads. And today we're going to be working on my toolbox here. Going to put struts on it and hopefully we can get it ready to go on the front of my stacker trailer here, that you'll get more episodes of on there. If you notice right here, the winch is going to mount right here on this 4 holes, and I'll put the plate and the box will fit over this real well. So that's where we're at with that. And the winch is a Harbor Freight 12,000 pound winch, an ZXR right there. I've already used it to unstick my RV because it was wet and my RV sunk up about 2 inches and I couldn't get traction. So I've got that to do. So I'll get set up here. We're going to mount these struts here on the inside here. I believe would be a good spot to mount them right here. So we'll see how that goes. So hang on, we'll be back. Need to drill that out a little bit up here. This won't last either, I'm sure. Alright, so we'll see what we can do here. That one right there. What to do with the strut? Oh, there it is. that's going to be it right there. I'm gonna do a little countersink in there. Didn't do much, it'll be right through it. Good morning. It's another day on good morning. It's another day on Bass Builds and Big Roads, and we're still working on our storage box for the trailer. I've got it sitting here ready to go, and having a hard time lining up the mounting brackets or mounting holes for the winch. So that's what I'm going to get done today, to get the winch mounted. I've got it this part already done here. See the cable sticking through there. So we got that going. So we're on the move to get that done. I'm going to change that metal cable out for the cord, the high strength cord. So I'm going to use this to pull my boat trailer up. Boat trailer is right here. It's a narrow version, it's shorter than the original one. So I'll use it to pull it up backwards. And there's the boat trailer that we use now. It's too wide. It won't fit. It won't fit on the between the bracing for the lift. So we got that to work on. So that's where we're at right this minute. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bolt I've got in there already. And I've got to get this lined up here. It's off about 1/4 of an inch from front to back, but it looks okay left to right. So I'm working on that. And just in case you want to know what the bottom of the trailer looks like, here it is. My 7,500 pound axles, springs. I'll have to be up under here running wire for the brakes and lighting and all that good stuff. There's a zoomed in shot, maybe a little better. We'll see. Well, had to take off and go with the wife, but I've got the box up here now, and I've got the winch mounted, bolted down, and I have to fix a boo-boo I got here. I didn't allow for the, or I allowed too much for right here when I cut it on my measurements. So I got that to deal with. So, which is not going to be a big deal in a way, because I'm going to caulk it anyway with self-leveling. So all I've got to do is cut it now. So I'll get my skill saw out there and cut her up. So I found my piece of aluminum. So measured out 3.5, that's what I need. And it's over 24 inches long. So I got my straight edge here to mark it. Actually, it's right at 24 inches. So I'll do that, and I'll use my little skill saw there to cut it. I've got her cut off. Put up tools while I was at it. Gathered up more tools for rivets and all. And I got her laid in there. So it's going to look pretty good. Especially when I've got a caulk all the way around with that self leveling. So it'll be waterproof for sure. So I use this self-leveling lap sealant. Use it on my RV all the time. It's great stuff. Does a super job. happy with it. So I've laid that around the edge so to seal it, and then I'm going to put this over on top of it. And mash her down in there for that seal. So now I'm going to pop rivet it. So I've hit a snag, not a big one, but these rivets aren't long enough to go all the way through to the to underneath the expanded, through the other side of the expanded metal there. I don't know if you can see it, it's dark. But I was going to use these washers here to and I was going to use that as a shim to lock them in. I was going to put one on each corner to hold this box in, but it's not quite like that. And if you look, this battery box, the strap is made to go this way. Okay. All right. So a little something to be. So I've run that through there. Of course, if I lay it in there now, I'll get gooey because of the self-leveling in there, because it's all messed. I'll get my strap all messed up, so I'll just wait for that. I'm gonna go look and see what I find at Amazon about these to see what I come up with. I'd like to pull it in the garage, but unfortunately it's too tall to fit in my 10-foot doors, which, you know, at the time that's all I needed, and I still don't need any more than that. A rare occasion. So